Now, in Luxembourgish, the word oeven means that something is above or at a higher level than something that is niederish, which means lower.
Ooh, interesting.
Now, this comes up a lot with Luxembourg place names. For example, down near Differding, you have the village of Overkoor, which is at a higher elevation than Niederkoor.
So I suppose Overvampish is above Niedervampish?
Exactly.
Which means Overkershing is above Niederkershing. And Overkolpesh is above Niederkolpesh. And Overfeelen is above Niederfeelen.
Dude, settle. You're getting overheated.
Oh, sorry.
Now, with the official village names, the ones in capital letters on the yellow town signs, most of the Overs become Obers, and the Nieders become Nieders. So, for instance, Overanven becomes Oberanven, and Niederanven becomes Niederanven.
And does Overdonven become Oberdonven? And Niederdonven become Niederdonven?
That's literally what he just said.
Now, he said that Overanven becomes Oberanven, and that Niederanven becomes Niederanven. And then I asked if Overdonven becomes Overdonven and Niederdonven become Niederdonven.
That might be a bit of overkill, but yes, you're right.
Overkill? That's neither here nor there.
Overkill, neither here nor there. No, overkill, neither here nor there. Over.